All right, people, it is Saturday, and we just came from all the way over there. We're at the Durango, and wifey saw this one, so we went back to the machine that we did good on last time. That was a pretty big major that we won, and this is actually around the same amount. We tried that one that we did good at last week, and it was all right. We were down a little bit, but made a good comeback. So now here we are. We saw this one. I don't know why the volume goes all the way down. So wifey, magic spins. Let's make something happen over here. So that one had what was it, zone boost. This has ultra spins. Oh, right away. So our lucky bet has been $2.64. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Trickery. The perceived progression. But we are trying to get that major. It is Saturday, March Madness weekend in Vegas, and you know March Madness weekend is epic in Las Vegas usually. We want all three of them. Oh wow, that's a pretty big number. So you want to do bigger while you're rich a little bit? Maybe go back and forth. 260. Okay. Come on. Okay. If you want, she said, should I change the nomination? I'm seeing some good amount of action here. Oh, come on. Yes. No, you shouldn't change it. Double. Yes, we got a double.
Is it always two?
No, it's not. Definitely not. It's definitely not double always. And it would have been nice to get ultra spins, but this is actually the two best, I think. Because you get double the screen and you get one extra spin. Actually, ultra spins might be better than extra, but you have one extra chance.
And if there's two numbers and it goes up,
Both. Yeah, it could just pop one, exactly. Yeah. But this time it just popped both. So let's go. Double up. Oh, Lord. Excitement. So can we win that major for wifey again? 4 spins now. Ooh, okay. Progressives. Oh, these are good numbers so far. Alrighty, wifey. Hello on upstairs. Hello on the upstairs. Hello, yes. Don't feel left out. Okay, thank you upstairs. Okay, good numbers upstairs. Thank you. I'm glad we're at 264, your favorite bet. Hello? Numbers, words. I saw it said something at the bottom. Is it mini, I think, or minor? All right, downstairs. Upstairs and downstairs are competing with each other. Oh, I saw minor. I keep seeing it. Okay. All right. Upstairs is doing its thing. Come on downstairs. One downstairs. Come on, one downstairs. This is when our extra spin. This is when our extra spin comes into play. Our extra spin came into play. 4 and 4 both. That feels good. Oh yeah. 4 chances for 3 on the top. Oh my goodness. 2 more on the top, baby. Come on. Come on, wifey. I believe in your abilities. Okay, it might slow down a little bit, but one at a time, it's fine. Come on downstairs. Word. Okay, concentrate all your energy on upstairs then, game. Okay, it was fine though. It didn't think that hard. It didn't have to concentrate that much energy. But it was a nice quick bonus. We won all our money back that we lost in the last game. See, the multiplier would have been nice on this, but we did just kind of see those sparklers full and we kind of accomplished the mission. Nothing bigger than $6, but we were betting $2.64, so pretty good. It's always fun to get double pops in this game. The hope is real, you know. All those things. Quick, fun win. How many more spins do you want to do? A couple more and then... So you won about, yeah. you want to leave, or do you want to? Because I don't know. It's kind of hard to hit again. And what do you think is like dragging?
One little.
She wants to do one little baby cute spin. Oh, this could be the cutest spin ever. Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me! Oh my god! She just wanted to do one baby cute spin, and she gets both of them. I wonder if it would have popped. This is the question. Tale as old as time. Would it have popped if she was betting bigger? I'm not sure. Her favorite bet, the lowest bet, is her favorite. Well, good job, wifey. Now you have the other two.
What's up?
So now it randomly multiplies. Phoenix, beautiful crane bird. Ooh. So every value can be just multiplied, and you don't know when it's up. I'm seeing words at the top too. So I mean, that was magic. So should we do another backup spin? Yes, people do some backup spins at least. I like to have a, see, it can come at any time, so you don't have to push it. So always do something at least. Like, if your bet is at like 150 and you're like, I'll just do 10 backup spins, that's $15. You know, kind of look at it that way. Don't do like aimless, non-stop backup spins. Be like, I have 250 bucks. I'm okay with doing 10 backup spins at like, you know, $1 or $2, whatever. So it's $10 or $20. Give yourself a chance for something magnificent. Nothing there. Oh, the bottom, you're right, yeah. Crane, beautiful bird. Boosted huge. More than $1. Come on, more than $1. Okay, I asked for more than $1. Oh, keep going. That was a very cute one. Oh, he can come back and boost again. Oh, they didn't want to boost this time. They're like, you won enough. That was funny though. The backup spin bonus. They were both completely empty too, right? It was completely. The purple one had a little baby bit. Yeah. It was like that one, yeah. That was fun. Can't faster, $19. Well, I guess you have to do like a couple backup spins now again just to test it.
I mean, there's no way.
There's no way, but we've popped them on empty before too. Okay, so good job, wifey. Excellent job of slot machining today. Now we will be back with another video. That was fun, quick little bonus, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.